Wait, is this actually the next Chainsaw Man glitters and glamour? Hold your horses, because as you can see right here on image.png, this design is still not officially confirmed. Banpresto already opened pre-orders for the night school version of Rezi. So could this be a brand new alternate cafe variant? Major figure expos and official Bandai Spirits announcements typically finalize these prototypes within the next few months. Would you cop this apron look? Subscribe so you don't miss the official release confirmation.